Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Learn and Teach English. So guys, my name is Aisha Siddiqa. I'm from Assam. So in today's video, we will learn the names of the fingers in English. So let's get started. Okay. This picture makes it easy to understand. A drawing hand. So guys, first this is a thumb finger. Thumb finger মানে বুড়া আঙ্গুলি। Index finger মাঝু আঙ্গুলি। Index finger middle finger so ring finger and pinky finger or little finger. So guys, আজকে আমরা কি শিখলাম মানে হাতের আঙ্গুলের নাম ইংলিশ। So guys, if you like my content, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.